How do you test that a Python function throws an exception? How does one write a unitest that fails only if a function doesn't throw an expected exception?
Use test case.assert raises from the unitest module, for example.
Your code should follow this pattern. This is a unitest module style test. On Python is lower than 2.7. This construct is useful for checking for specific values in the expected exception. The unitest function assert raises only checks if an exception was raised.
The code in my previous answer can be simplified too. And if a function takes arguments, just pass them into assert raises like this.
Since Python 2.7, you can use Context Manager to get a hold of the actual exception object thrown. Assert raises. In Python 3.5, you have to wrap context.exception in str, otherwise you'll get a type error.